In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Trustpilot to Shopify. Trustpilot reviews can enhance your online presence, build trust with new customers, and ultimately boost your sales. By linking Trustpilot with your Shopify store, you'll be able to seamlessly gather and display customer reviews right within your online shop. Let's walk through exactly how you can set this up. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Shopify account and head over to the Shopify App Store. Here, you'll want to search for the Trustpilot app. Once you find it, click on it to view more details. You'll see the option to add the app to your Shopify store. Go ahead and click that. You may be prompted to confirm you'd like to install the app, so click Install App. After successfully installing, it's time to set up your Trustpilot account if you haven't already done so. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once inside your Trustpilot dashboard, navigate to your integrations options. Here, you should see Shopify as one of the available integrations. Click to select Shopify, and follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store with Trustpilot. This often involves allowing Trustpilot permissions to access certain features of your Shopify account. Grant these permissions, as they are necessary for the seamless integration between the two platforms. The next step involves choosing which reviews you'd like to import to your Shopify store. Trustpilot allows you to collect reviews automatically by setting up a review invitation email for your recent customers. You can customize the email by selecting a template that matches your brand. Trustpilot handles the automation of these invitations, enabling you to effortlessly collect reviews after each customer purchase. Now, it's time to incorporate these reviews into your storefront. Within the Trustpilot app settings on Shopify, find the option that allows you to display reviews on your product pages. Here, you can choose the positioning of where these reviews will appear. Typically, placing them below product descriptions is most effective. Be sure to preview how the reviews look and make any necessary adjustments to fit within your store's layout seamlessly. Finally, it's essential to maintain regular engagement with your Trustpilot reviews. Periodically checking this area allows you to respond to any negative feedback promptly and celebrate positive reviews by sharing them on your store's front page or promoting them through social media channels. It's a continuous cycle that not only helps build trust but also fosters brand loyalty. And there you have it. Incorporating Trustpilot reviews into your Shopify store enhances your credibility and can significantly improve customer relationships, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. So, dive in, connect your store with Trustpilot, and watch as your online reputation grows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insights on optimizing your e-commerce platform. Keep building and happy selling.